Hey guys, I'm here with my first official action figure review. Say what? Anyway, um, I'll be reviewing the Plesio Charge Megazord from Power Rangers Dino Super Charge, as well as the 5-inch Power Rangers Dino Super Charge Dino Charge Purple Ranger. Although it's kind of incomplete because prior to this video I lost the saber, so bear with me. Anyway, let's get to the main event. Readjust the camera. This is the Plesio Charge Plesiozord with Kendall riding on top. Here's Kendall, who quickly became a Ranger favorite. She's the genius of she's the tech genius of the team. She's a total badass. Let's put her to the side, and we'll work with the Plesiozord. Before that, this is the Plesiozord Dino Charger. This thing is pretty awesome. You press this and the little panel inside flips. Sorry, the lighting in my room is absolute crap. And if you put this inside the Plesiozord's mouth, readjust the camera, you get a little flip-up gimmick with this panel right here. I don't know how well you saw that. Let's try that again. Press it in, and you get two pop-out cannons. Before we get into the actual Megazord, I want to show you a combination that will occur once I have the other two Zords necessary. So let's get into it. Start by ripping the Plesiozord apart. I'll leave the head, this section on. That's gonna be the head. All I have to do is turn it around. Clip the thighs into the side skirt, which is a little hard to do. There we go. Alright, open up these panels right here on the legs for arm sockets, whatever you want to call them. Connection ports is the technical name. Again, I don't have the Dino Charge Megazord or the Pachizord to do the Plesio Charge Megazord Pachyrex formation, so that review will probably be later on. But this is the upper torso of that mode. Oops. I forgot the hands. Now here's the upper torso of the Plesio Charge Megazord Pachyrex formation. I think it's pretty awesome. Obviously it'll look better with the other two Zords, but I'm not complaining about it. Let's get to the actual Plesio Charge Megazord. Start by removing parts and folding them away. putting the hands on the right areas. Actually, put that one off to the side. Put the feet on so it can stand better. Sorry, if you hear weird noises, it's the pieces hitting the floor. Up the camera. Attach this piece to the butt to get it. It doesn't have a purpose with the Plesio Charge Megazord unless you have the Dino Charge Megazord. We'll attach the head. And then this arm connects like this, connects like this, and then you can flip up this face mask. Here's one configuration of the Plesio Charge Megazord, with the Plesiozord head as an arm. It looks really kind of disproportionate, but you get a really awesome cannon with the Plesiozord head. But it does also come with the second arm, so I'll show you how to attach that. Attach that. Attach this. And there we go. Normal Plesio Charge Megazord with Kendall standing right next to it. Not perfect scale, but hey, I had to have the pilot for the Zord. I love this thing. It looks really awesome and powerful despite the gap in his back. And like I said, before I recorded this video, I lost Kendall's Dino Drive Saber, so she only has her Dino Blaster / Morpher. So anyway, I love Kendall anyway. She's a genius and a heck of a fighter. If anyone's seen the episode where she goes to save Keeper from Sledge, when she first becomes the Dino Charge Purple Ranger, that should be proof that she was awesome. And the Dino Charger is pretty awesome too. Can't wait to finally get the Dino Charge Morpher. A lot of people can complain that the Morpher looks horrible. Idea for a gun being a Morpher is a horrible idea. I kind of like it. It sets it apart from other seasons. The Rangers usually get like a watch or like a wristband / watch, belt buckle, or even sunglasses when it comes to Jungle Fury. But the Blaster Morpher is pretty awesome. Can't wait to get it and then save up for a suit and helmet for Kendall. I don't know if I'm gonna get this chest bit. Can't remember what it's called. I need to go back and watch episodes. My only complaint about this is the blaster. Anyway, I'm running out of time. I'll talk to you guys later.